Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find, guys, where the power window switch, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So for the power window switch, also known as master window switch or just window switch, which fuses and relays we can, guys, check, we will demonstrate on that generation Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban here. Both of these models are built on the same platform. Practically it should work for both. The main difference is the Tahoe is a little bit shorter, guys. And quick advice from us, guys. 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there is 5 hidden fuse boxes in that SUV. That's okay, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel. It's called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, guys. You need to open the driver door, come to the side of the dash. Here you have one cover. Press that cover, pry that cover open. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box. There is very limited information, but the fuses that we need to check first, okay, that controls the driver's side, okay, the driver's side power windows. So we're talking first about fuse number 43, that fuse right here. Now if you guys go to the passenger side, okay, right here you have the same thing. You need to pry that cover open and you're going to have almost identical fuse box. Here you will need to check fuse number 44. We're talking about that fuse right here that we need to check. Now about relays, there is very limited information about that. Most likely it's part of the body control functions. So we recommend to check the BCM, body control module, fuses and relays as well if you have problems with power windows not working. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.